Hello, this is an explanation video for Monday, October 4th. So scroll down here. This is our main page. You want to scroll down to Unit 1, Power of Goals. And at the top, you see Module 3, Week 5, August 4th through 8th, new module. You want to click on this. Okay. And we are on Monday, day 1, October 4th. Let's start with the sync. This is what we're doing together in class. Today, the agenda says we will practice using gerunds and infinitives in small groups. We will also learn vocabulary for an article about Dr. Cesar Cruz and then read the article. Then we will answer comprehension questions about the article in groups. Okay, so here is our discussion activity using gerunds and infinitives. So for example, this first question, what are you interested in doing in your free time? So when you read this question, notice that we have, we're using a gerund, right? Doing. So when you give your answer, you're also going to use a gerund. For example, I am interested in exercising in my free time, or I am interested in cooking in my free time. Down here, this one, what would you like to do if you didn't have to work? So notice in this question, we're using an infinitive. So when you give your answer, you should use an infinitive. I would like to travel around the world, or I would like to run a small business, for example. Okay, so each of these, you will talk with a partner. You can ask questions and answer questions, but make sure to use, if it's a gerund in the question, use a gerund in the answer. If it's infinitive in the question, use infinitive in the answer. Here's the textbook activity. So this is some of the vocabulary we're going to talk about. And then we will read this article about Dr. Cesar Cruz. Then we will come to the next activity, part 2, A, B, and C, and we will answer these questions. So part B, we want to find the main idea of the entire article up here and make sure to put the line. Then we want to find the main idea of paragraph 2, and then the line, and the paragraph of 3, paragraph 3, and then the line, and then paragraph 4 and paragraph 5. Each of these, we're finding the main idea. Okay, so that is what we will do as our sync activity. Let's go back to look at the async activities. Async. It is a Nearpod on gerunds and infinitives. This is the second Nearpod on gerunds and infinitives. We had one last week, and now this is part 2. So you want to make sure to enter your name, click Join Lesson, and you want to click through these slides. We begin with a review of the Nearpod from last week. Okay, so 3 types of situations. This is the review from last week, and still more review about in a quiz about the review. These are all quiz questions. And submit. And so then it gives you your score. Now we're going to start giving you some new information about gerunds and infinitives. Okay, so this is really helpful information. Here's a video. So make sure to go through all these slides and to answer the questions in the quizzes. And if you have questions, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to help. So that is it for today, Monday, October 4th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.